Okay, hello everyone. I wanted to take this time to make a short video. Uh, earlier today, Joel came to me with a problem about copying and pasting his layers from one project to another. As you know, the assignment is to put all of your Photoshop projects into one, make it so it'll only be in one project. I did a little thing before on our class on Wednesday of just copying and pasting, and Joel ran into an issue, and I think a lot of you may run into the same issue. So I wanted to make a short recording so that, uh, just in case you run into that issue, you know how to solve it. So, starters, I have one of his scenes here, and the other shot right here. Right, let me just delete that. The problem was the way I went about it before was just clicking on the scene, Control C or Command C, and then going to the new one and then Control V, and then it gives it like this. It's the whole folder is still there, but it's very off centered. There are two ways to solve this, right? You can always just click on the thing and Control T and resize it and just shape it the way you want. That's one way, but that may be very time consuming, right? There's a much easier way to get through this. Coming to the folder that you want to move to, you can just click on it, right click to get these options, and you can put where it is duplicate group, and this is going to show scene 1 copy as if you was to do the same thing, Control C, Control V to copy and paste it, but you can duplicate it. And under destination, you notice I have S1, which is the one I want to send it to, and S2, which is the one that's currently in, or I can create a new one. Let's click on S1, press OK, and then let's check it, and then boom. It's here, same size and dimensions as it was in the other thing. I didn't have to do all of the transform editing. It's here the same way. So that's a much easier way to go about this if you ever run into that issue of copying and pasting it. It doesn't resize it correctly for you. You can just go right click and duplicate it. And yeah. So once again, right, let's do it for this scene. Right. If I right click, duplicate the group, send it to the proper document. This is a portion where you could name it or you can name it later. Doesn't really matter. Either way works. Press OK. Going back, let it load. And then, boom, it's here in the proper form. So that's the first one. And here is the second image. Both resized the way they should be. And yeah, there you go. An easy way to do it, just in case you run into that issue, or you can do it this way regardless. Both ways work, and I hope you guys can use it for your project. Yeah, see you.